When there was light, you needed a light.
I can't work without light.
No. One has to be able to see. So now you can't hear and you can't see.
Can't see and can't hear. Isn't that cold?
Yeah. I would think somebody that has to work with sheetrock and insulation would wear those masks.
Mm-hmm.
How far along do they look? I mean, is the ceiling completely ripped out?
No. They've only gotten like a couple sheets, maybe 2 or 3 sheets on it.
Well, can't they just pull it down quickly? I mean, it fell down quick.
Well, they got the old down.
Oh, okay. That's
Then they got 2 or 3 new.
That's what I want. Yeah.
Sheetrock sheets.
Okay. But all the old's down.
Yeah. And they are using screws.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of that's even better.
There we go.
The screws are even better than drywall nails,
Yeah.
sheetrock, because they will definitely hold.
Steve probably told him to use screws.
Was faster too, because they can just take that power gun, you know, and just screwdriver just
Oh, yeah.
jam them on, ram jam.
When all this settles down, we need to go out in that yard, walk around, make a plan of how we want walkways,
Mm-hmm.
how we want to set the bushes off, where we want flowers.
Wow.
We need some statues.
Yeah.
I'm starving.
I'd have been better not to take this apart. I had it, and then I took it apart.
Did you hear me say I'm starving?
Huh?
Did you hear me say I'm starving?
You're starving?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I didn't.
See?
It is perfect, except this is upside down. What do we want to eat?
I don't know. I wish I knew a place you could go to get salmon croquettes. Too lazy to make them. What is it, Muggsy? So when are you going to pick those other knobs up at Home Depot?
They're supposed to call me now. I don't know why they didn't. Why they haven't already.
You have a new key for these, right? for this one.
Yeah.
I'm glad that he just suggested a electrical outlet right there in the middle of the room. So I would love to have a ceiling fan there and down there where the that other thing is. Maybe matching fans.
Yeah, that's a pretty good
fan
idea,
lights.
wasn't it, actually? Pretty good idea. I think I about got it now.
All right. When did you learn how to do that?
Self-taught. I always wanted to say that about something. It just seems like if you're self-taught, you're just that much more accomplished and smarter. That's gonna work.
It done?
It's gonna work, yeah.
Are you proud of your work? Is it excellent? Excellent job by a master craftsman?
Yeah, but I'm not proud of a ding or two here or there or something like that.
So you think there's room for improvement even though it's
Yeah.
close to perfect?
Mm-hmm.
Bundler, don't you grab me.
Alright.
Done?
I'm going to get a couple of screws and a drill bit and put these screws in there. How's that?
All right.